Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mohammed Shuaib, and today in this tutorial video we will learn how we can configure a momentary button inside the WinCC SCADA. Actually, the momentary button change the state of bit or tag only while the button is pressed. Once the button is released, the bit or tag automatically return to its the previous state. This typically used for the function where the temporary change is required. So, like for example, here we can see if I will press this button, the pump is start. Once I release the button, the pump will automatically stop. So we'll learn in this tutorial video how we can configure like this momentary button in the SCADA. So let's see practically how we can configure the momentary button inside the WinCC SCADA. So in the previous tutorial, we'll create this project. So we'll use also same this project for our this tutorial. And we already create in the tag management some of the tags in the previous tutorial. Like here you can see the mixer one. And in this particular tutorial, we'll use these two tags, the command, pump2 command and pump2 feedback. So I will open this main screen we already developed in our previous tutorial. I will open it. So our graphic designer is open. So now we'll create a one button. Come here in the window object, then select the button and then create it here. And just put the name of button, stop, and press the enter key. And just increase the font. So I put it 20. And I will put the size 20. Right. So come here the in event button, mouse, left press. I want once I press the button, then the value should write 1 inside the PLC controller true. And once I release the button, the value should write 0 inside the PLC. So we'll configure. And in this particular tutorial, we are going for the C script or C action. So click C action and just remove this code. And after that, come here and tags set value and double click it here and select the tag which you want to write a value. So for my case, this pump2 command, what I want, once I will click, the operator will press the mouse button, it should write a value 1. Click here, OK. Then click here in the compile. So 0 error 0 1. So click here, OK. So now we'll configure the release left, right click, C action, and we just remove this code and come here internal functions, then tag set and set with double click and select the tag. So pump2 command. So I want once the operator release the mouse button, left mouse button, it should write a 0 value. So select it all and put the 0 value. Press OK. And just click here in the compile 0 error 0 1 or put it perfect. So save it and just run the WinCC. So our WinCC runtime is open. So here once you click and hold the mouse button, you can see our pump is running. And once I release it, our pump will become stop. So momentary button is working like that. Once you press your left mouse button for some time duration, the pump will start, and once you release it, the pump will become stop. So that's it. How we can configure the momentary button in WinCC SCADA through C script. Thanks for watching this video.